also when she's already an adult. There's boats in New Zealand, the Auckland shop. Nah, Granny already ride on that boat.
Where? Small tire. Where is a small tire? What is her name?
That's the family name of the owner.
With the car.
So last week you crossed over the bridge, now you're crossing.
All life jacket demonstrators, kindly proceed to your post now. Tinatawagan ang lahat ng crew to the crew in front of you who will demonstrate the proper donning of the life jacket in case of emergency. Sa aming mga mahal na pasahero, para sa inyong kaligtasan, pakituon po ang inyong pansin sa mga crew na nasa
Did you see the boat? They're running.
kung kinakailangan gamitin. Isuwag ito mula sa puno. Ipaikot sa katawan ang tali at higpitan sa harap. Para sa karagdagang seguridad, itali din ang strap na nasa bandang liig. Ang whistle and a small light are attached on the left side equivalent to one candle light. The power supply will last up to 8 hours. Pull the string connected to it, and once in contact with water, the light will automatically turn on. Ang pito at maliit na ilaw ay makikita sa kaliwang bahagi ng life jacket. Ang pito ay magagamit sa pagtawag ay makita lalo na sa dilim. Ang ilaw ay nilakas
Did you see that
sa
car?
ng isang kandila. Tatagal ito ng higit kulang ng 8 oras. Hilahin ang tali ng
There's also mountains and there's house.
at ito ay hihilaw ng kulang kapag nakala ng tubig. Should there be a need to jump into the water, put your left hand at your right shoulder to support your life jacket. Pinch your nose with your right hand. Close your mouth. Kung naman na kailangan tumalon sa dagat, ilagay ang kaliwang kamay sa kanang balikat para suportahan ang life jacket. Pisilin ang ilong ng kanang kamay. Isa na ang bibig. Pagdikipin ang mga paa bago tumalon. Once you have put on your life jacket, please wait for further instructions from the captain or the crew in charge. Always remember to keep calm and be alert during ang iyong life jacket. Maghintay sa anunsyo mula sa kapitan o sa namumuno ng crew. Paalala lang po sa lahat na palagi po tayong maging mahinahon at alerto sa panahon ng sakuna. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Kung kayo ay may katanungan, huwag mag-atubiling tawagin ang pansin ng aming crew. In behalf of Archipelago Philippine Airways Corporation, we would like to say thank you for trusting and choosing to travel with CCLEX, the very first brand new and state-of-the-art roll-on, roll-off katotohanan vessel in the Philippines. Sa ngalan po ng pamunuan ng Archipelago Philippine Airways Corporation, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtitiwala at pagpasya ng mga bago at moderno roll-on, roll-off na katamaran na barko sa Pilipinas. Have a very safe
Wow, under the bridge. Yay!
trip. Good day to all our valued passengers. We are pleased to inform you that cabin stewards are stationed in all cabins. Please do not hesitate to approach any of them. It is our pleasure to be of service.
Today.
We would like to
Mm.
remind everyone that smoking
Keep lang sa, bunitin lang sa.
the air-conditioned sections of the vessel, including the lavatories and the car decks,
And Seaside
tampering
City
with, disabling,
playground
destroying the
playground
smoke
at the top.
detectors any part of the vessel is prohibited by law. At this point, prayer and presentation on the safety features of the vessel. Please make sure that you are settled and are at your designated seats. Thank you for your
There's a
cooperation.
boat. I saw. We're passing NUSTAR.
Ayun.
Are you enjoying it? Yes, I am. Even me. Oh, yeah, man. I am too.
go cycling on the weekend.
Ah,
Wait.
Yeah, no. We haven't been there yet. So, on the other side.
I also went like that. I do not see the church.
Ah,
Oh, yeah, Mom. Is it like the ice?
can't see it yet.
Did you happen to try one? Did you? We did. Happen to do it?
Layo.
I see another one. Yeah. But you also have to be in a good. McDonald's? Oh, there. There. Bird? I see it. I see it. It's a E. But the shark will swallow you.
No. It's usually the
Go. Is New Zealand have dolphins? They have orca?
Mm-hmm.
We didn't see orca and dolphins.
Yes, we've seen it.
I see a video in Australia. I see sharks. Are you excited to see the buhol?
Yes, I am. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Is the time for departure from Bohol?
Yep. Or we can take the 4. Oh, we can check.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Is New Zealand have first class? New Zealand has a
Do you mean in the plane?
yeah, first class.
Yes. First class. First class.
Do you?
Lots of that.
You're not sleepy, Sam?
No. But in the airplane, I'm sleepy. I'm always sleeping in the airplane. shark. There's heavy fish. We can see dugyan. Do you see a shark? We can see dugyan. Yeah.
No, you can't.
Huh? We can. We can see. Yeah, sa dalaga.
No, she said you can see the lagat from here.
What direction is dalaga?
Yeah, south.
South. Padulog. Bro,